Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So I have some exciting news today. I'm actually going to pick up a new vending machine later. But first I want to show you some new equipment I got to help with the process of moving vending machines around from one location to the next. So first off, I got this utility trailer. I got this utility trailer. I got this at Home Depot for $1,000. It's a 5x8 single axle, and this is what the vending machines are gonna get loaded up onto. I also got this trailer jack at Harbor Freight for 27 bucks. That'll help me be able to wheel the trailer around the yard. So next up, I got this pallet jack. I got this for 75 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, so I saved a bit of cash there. It still works completely fine, even though it's used. So that was a good way to save some money. Alright guys, so next up I got this 2,500 pound winch from Harbor Freight. This is normally 70 bucks, but I got it on sale for 44. I also got two of these winch mounting plates. One to go on the top side of the trailer, and then one to go under the trailer just for extra support. Alright, next up I got four of these ratcheting tie downs. They're 2 inches by 27 feet. These were from Harbor Freight and they were 15 bucks a piece. And then as you can see, they have these J hooks on the end to hook onto the trailer. Then I got 6 of these straps. These were from Home Depot. They were $1 each, and they actually have a 1,000 pound capacity, so they're stronger than they look, even though they're pretty thin. And lastly, I got this sling from Harbor Freight. This was $10, and it has a 2,000 pound maximum capacity. And the last thing I got was this 3/4 inch plywood. I got this at Home Depot for 41 bucks. And this is going to go over the ramp of the trailer just to strengthen it more and spread out the load more evenly. Alright guys, so now I'm at Home Depot. I just have to go in there and get some bolts to mount the winch onto the trailer. All right. Alright guys, so I got the new vending machine here. It's an AMS combo machine. I got it for 1,500 bucks, which is actually a really good deal because these things are 5,000 brand new. I'm gonna be installing it into the location later today, but for right now I'm gonna just set up all the prices for each item so that it's ready to go later when we go to install it. Alright guys, so to change the prices, we just use these scrolls right here. And then we go inside the machine here, open this up, and press this service mode button, which is this yellow button right here. Then we come around to the screen, and they'll tell you how to change the prices. Right there. Alright guys, so I just finished setting up the machine. All the prices are set up, and now it's time to go install it at the new location and pull the old machine out.